Hey, what's up, everybody? I am your host, Sean Terry, and these are your weekly video announcements. First off, I want to thank all of you students and leaders that made it out to the auction last Thursday. It was an amazing night, and with your help, our church was able to raise over $4 billion for the children and youth ministry. First announcement. Ignition, do you remember last week when Rhonda Lee told you all about an elf night that you guys were going to be having at Dennis and Kathy Marco's house? Well, it turns out that she wasn't lying. So, this Friday, November 19th, all of you junior high students are invited to the Marco's house for an elf-themed night starting at 7 p.m. You can expect to not only get together with your friends and watch the Christmas classic starring Will Ferrell, but also to have some great elf-themed food and play a few rounds of elf trivia. Just remember to get picked up at 10 p.m. and that the event is this Friday at 7 p.m. For my next announcement, I want to give you guys a heads up on what the schedule for our services will look like in the month of December. So please check out this sweet calendar I found on the internet. So right away, we know that we are not going to be having a service on the 1st because that will be a communion service with the rest of the church. Also, there will be no service on December 15th and 22nd. Those will both be special Christmas productions that the church is doing together, and you definitely don't want to miss out on those. So that means the only services that we will have together are on December 8th and December 29th. That December 8th service is actually going to be a really cool service that we don't want any of you to miss out on. Our very own Jesse Sterneman is going to be leading us in a special Sunday conversation service that will have all of the 7th through 12th grade together, along with all the leaders. So make sure that you are here on December 8th. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for an incredibly awkward silence. That will do it for announcements this week. Once again, I am Sean Terry. I hope you guys have a great service, and I will see you next week.